Alright guys, welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to rationalize surds. Okay, we'll be taking some examples for me to teach you because somebody asked me to do a tutorial on this topic. I believe if you want to have a basic understanding or the beginning of surds, I have uploaded 2 topics before, so you can check the YouTube channel. You'll get the information on how to simplify surds in the basic operations of addition and subtraction. You understand? But this one we're going to be learning how to rationalize what surds. Okay, let's begin with this first example. I said 2 over root 2. In surds, it is wrong for the denominator to carry a surd. Okay, the denominator has to be a real number, a whole number. It does not have to carry a surd symbol. So we have to look for a way to eliminate this guy, and to do that we then multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 2. Okay, so when you multiply root 2 times root 2, if you go to the tutorial, they already explained that before. Root 2 times root 2 will give you 2 because the root will cancel the root. Did you see that? So it will now be 2 root 2 over 2. Then we can now simplify it and say 2 cancels 2, which is 1. So your final answer will now be what? Root 2. Let's take another example. Okay, 21 over root 6. This is interesting. Now, how do you solve a question like this? Now, we are seeing that there is surd as the denominator, so we have to get rid of it. So what do we do to get rid of it? You multiply the numerator by root 6. You multiply the denominator by what? Root 6. And what would you get? Root 6 times root 6. I told you to give you the number. You take away the root. You just pick the number. That's 6 and 6. You pick 1 6. So it will now be over 6. 21 times root 6. That will be 21 root 6. So this becomes the answer. Did you see that? But if you want to simplify it, you can say 3 here would give you 2. 3 here would give you 7. So you have equal to 7 root 6 over 2. Did you see it? This is the simplest form of this question. Now let's take another example. Okay, now let's solve this kind of question. We have a root again as the denominator, so we have to look for a way to get rid of it. So what do? We multiply the numerator by root 6, then multiply the denominator by what? Root 6. So root 6 times root 6 will give you 6. We have addressed that before. So you have a denominator of 6. Now 2 root 3 times root 6. Root and root we can multiply, but root and whole number cannot multiply. So it will be 2 root 3 times 6 is what? 18. Now this is not the simplest form of this question. Okay, we can start to simplify from here. 2 here and 2 here. That will give us what? Root 18 over what? 3. You understand? But this is not also the simplest form. There's one that's the simplest form. Let's expand this guy. We'll have root 9 times root 2 over 3, because root 9, that's 9 times 2 is what gave us 18. So when we expand it, you will understand it better if you go back to the introduction class I did before. Go and check the video, Introduction to Surds 1. You will understand what I'm doing here. So 9 times root 2 is what gave us 18. So now the square root of 9 is 3. So we'll now have 3, we'll have 3 root 2 over 3. This 3 here. So this 3 can cancel this 3. So your answer will be what? Root 2.